So this is room 23128 in the Flamingo Tower of the Flamingo. I'm gonna go in. This is a renovated room. I don't know when it was renovated. Looks like it's been a while. Shower, bathroom. I mean, it's not too bad. Lots of scuff marks everywhere. But for this type of hotel, it's to be expected. Same with here. Got a lighted closet and drawers. I come in here, that door is for an adjoining room. We have 2 queens, which I thought I booked a king, but it'll work. Little desk area, TV, coffee pot. Nice thing we didn't expect was a refrigerator, and it's actually a refrigerator, not a mini bar. So that's nice. And safe. Little chair. Sit in. We have a nice little view. This is a strip view. And we can see the Bellagio. Can't quite see the fountains. But you can see Caesars and the Mirage, and off in the distance, other things. No blackout. I mean, they have blackout curtains, but no shades. Definitely not a good view down there. And then we have our beds, just 2 queen beds. It looks fairly clean and stuff, so it'll work for tonight. And then they do have outlets here on the side. Nice little cute little flamingo lamp and little bedside table. Smells kind of weird in there, but it's okay. I'm not going to use it anyways. So that's the room. There's a weird patch job right there, like a flamingo exploded. Not sure what that's about, but okay. So I did book a king with the high roller view, which is the big Ferris wheel, because I figured if you could see the high roller, you can probably see the sphere. And walking to the elevators, yes, you absolutely can. And there's some more things I'm going to update you about the cleanliness of our room. But after that first impression, you get in there and really look at it, that you start to question things. What's been done in that room? So here's my other room. I needed to book a Caesars room to be in the slot tournament. And since my room was so bad last time, Flamingo offered me $100 food and beverage credit on my next day. So I booked with a Flamingo. So this is the Flamingo Take 2. Room 24153. Again, a remodeled room, newly remodeled room, or newly renovated room in the resort tower, or in the Flamingo Tower. And here we go. So we come in. We're gonna go in the bathroom first. We have a random pipe in the ceiling. This is not actually hand wash. It's actually lotion, which we found out the hard way. Really, don't necessarily do a great job of cleaning. There's stuff on the wall. Have a sink. It just depends on your level of cleanliness. Everybody's is different. Toilet. Nice size shower. We'll give it that. But there is, probably some, I need to re-caulk that because there's probably some leakage in there. And of course, mold over here. This is the biggest problem I have. Like if I can't take a shower because there's mold on the shower head, it's an issue for me. It has a little sliding door. That. This one, unlike the other one, the filter has actually been changed, so that's good. And here's the closet, which does have a sensor on it. And that light's broken apparently. There's this, which I haven't seen before, so that is interesting. And we have drawers, which seem pretty clean. You do have to push this door all the way shut, otherwise it's, if you just do that, it bounces back to where it goes, and you can't open it. I come in here, connecting door, if you have one, desk. This is 2 queens, the beds, more drawers. There are outlets and USB on the sides, the nightstand. This is the garden view, which if you look way down there-ish, you can see the flamingos. You can see the Caesars Employment Center, Westgate, or not Westgate, the Westin. I'll move this way. Behind us, the pools for the Flamingo over here. That would be the horseshoe right there, the monorail. And the room came with a Viv. Little table.
There are no see-through windows?
Yeah, no see-through windows like the Vidara. You can walk around naked in here and people can't see you. It does have a little fridge, which is actually a little cold. A safe. And ice, coffee maker, which it's a little dirty inside, but. And apparently we have messages, which I have tried to get these messages off. Have this, which last time when I was here, I did try the HDMI to the TV and it didn't work. Maybe this one does. But that is the room in a nutshell. Viv not included. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has helped you. Hit the like, subscribe, and little bell notification button so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. And it also really helps me out, guys, so I really appreciate it so that I can make more videos for you so we can travel like we're bougie without the bougie cost. Now get out there and go wild.